initially the course towards the distress submarine or the bottom submarine is guided by the bridge. Once the distress submarine comes on my integral sensor, which consists of sonar, light, camera and DVL. So these are the various sensors are there. So once I detect this submarine on my integral sensor, after that I navigate the DSRV towards the distress submarine. I align myself on the top of the escape hatch of the submarine, goes mate with the escape hatch, equalizes the pressure with the equivalent to the pressure of the submarine. After that, opening of hatches is responsibility of rescue chamber operator. As soon as I feel comfortable, I give the clearance for the opening of rescue chamber operator, clearance for opening of hatch of rescue chamber by the rescue chamber operator, and the rescue chamber operator opens the hatch, takes the number of rescue into the compartment, and after that, once the transfer is completed, the hatch of the DSRV has been shut and the DSRV detaches from the submarine. After detachment, the SRV surface and its text position stern of the ship, which is the recovery position of the DSRV, and this is the launch and recovery system yellow part, which is goes behind and picks up the SRV from the behind and brings on one of the 3 DDCs. After that, the personnel transfer happens, person goes one by one to the DDC, and SRV is ready for the next round of the rescue exercise.
That are participating in the Goa Maritime Conclave include Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, Myanmar and Vietnam. So they, out of this, Myanmar is operating in a submarine which has been seconded from the Indian Navy, while the others have classes of submarines which are similar to ours, and therefore the rescue system, while not proven as yet, but is likely to be compatible with their submarines also. Deep submergence rescue vehicle systems, one is based in Mumbai and the other is based in Vizag. So we have already proven the capability of the DSRV system to carry out rescue from the submarines which are operated by the Indian Navy. The purpose of this visit by the delegation is that there are other submarine operating navies in our neighborhood who do not have the rescue system, and there are some who have the rescue system and would want to cooperate with us in a submarine rescue exercise or an actual eventuality. And the purpose is to introduce them to our system, and should any of them be interested, we can have a further implementing agreement as to the details of how and how we'll do the cooperation in case of an actual incident or maybe for an exercise, just to prove the capability.